Grandpa's gonna take us to see an old house.
Let's go.
What are you doing, Loki?
Well,
You excited?
yeah.
Haley?
I don't know where we're going.
You guys have to find out, right, Haley?
Yeah.
We had a great time.
You ready?
Yeah.
So we found it.
This card.
And here's the kitchen.
Hey, look at there's a phone.
I'm not going upstairs. I am.
There's a little kitchen
Don't be scared.
in there.
Well, what if it falls?
It's not gonna fall, Haley.
It is not very safe,
I know.
but
That is the tiniest sink I've ever seen. We're heading upstairs.
Oh, maybe it's dark.
What is that?
it's a closet, I believe.
Okay, I'm going back down.
Come on, it's fine.
Mommy.
Whoever was here was a New York State medical
Mommy.
technician.
Okay, let me go first. Oh, it's like,
So, hey, what's our...
that's an old TV.
Yeah, go back down.
Oh, was.
I'm gonna call someone. Hello. Hello.
Not me on this side, because it is kind of weak.
Okay.
Nice size bedrooms.
It looks like people just like up and left.
Yeah.
Okay, that's creepy.
It is
Yeah, a little bit.
creepy. Upstairs bathroom and another bedroom.
That looks like an old here. Right there.
It's the smoke. Upstairs bathroom and another bedroom.
That looks like an old here. Right there.
It's the smoke detector. There's also
And
I ain't no way I'm going up there.
and there that.
Look at that light. It's
and that's-
weird.
Oh, it's a guy. Mommy, look at these DVDs.
I know there's DVDs, buddy. I seen them. They're CDs actually. Come on. Oh, careful. Scared the crap out of me. What?
This has our phone numbers on it still.
Oh, they're gonna put out a brick, but they couldn't. Oh my god.
What is that?
Look, I showed you
So
that.
this house was. It looks like it was just like people up and left in a hurry or something. I don't know. Sure. Like tiny little kitchen.
What in the fridge is this?
And there's cards all over the place over there.
Look at this is an old-fashioned radio.
Are you coming?
No, I ain't coming in that spooky thing.
Spooky?
There's rats in there that'll carry you out. There's snakes in
Stop,
there.
you're giving me
There's nothing.
goosebumps.
Oh, yeah. I ain't going in there.
There's a deer. An old house picture.
It's not true. That's not true.
What's that?
It's not true, but there was a monster up there.
Recliner. That's a decent table, I'm sure.
Oh my god.
Pretty sturdy still.
Sure it is. Let me see. Oh my God, you're bleeding. I'm going to take you to the hospital.
That scared the crap out of me.
On our way back, we found it has rained so much that we found a waterfall. Here's another one.
Oh my goodness.
The only time we find them, the only time we find them is when it rains real hard, and it rained really hard today.
Mm-hmm.